Hello, I'm Katrina, a little girl from Rio. Welcome to my channel, Nina Land. Can you sneeze with your eyes open? The reflex action of sneezing is an involuntary response that involves a sudden expulsion of air through the mouth and nose. When you sneeze, your body reacts by closing your eyes, which is a protective reflex to prevent any particles or germs from entering your eyes. Therefore, it is very difficult to keep your eyes open while sneezing, although some people may be able to do so with conscious effort. The speed of a sneeze can vary, but on average, it can reach up to 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour, in just a fraction of a second. This rapid speed is due to the sudden release of pressurized air from the lungs, which pushes the sneeze out of the mouth and nose. In addition, the muscles responsible for closing our eyes are closely linked with the muscles used in the sneeze reflex. When the sneeze reflex is triggered, the muscles that control the eyelids also involuntarily contract, causing the eyes to close. We close our eyes when we sneeze as a protective reflex to prevent any particles or germs from entering our eyes. When we sneeze, the forceful expulsion of air and droplets from the nose and mouth can potentially spread infectious particles in the surrounding environment. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and share. You can also watch all the past and future videos by subscribing to my channel. Nina Land, the best YouTube channel for kids in the whole world.